So I noticed lately when I get on my Vespa, it's getting a little bit harder to start each time. So I am able to start it, but I keep having to give it more and more gas in order for the engine to catch. So I researched what the problem could be, and it turns out it's likely just an old battery. So my Vespa is a 2019, so I think my battery is significantly aged. And so I got myself a new battery, watched a few YouTube videos. I think I can figure out how to change it. So I thought I would kind of show you that whole process, and hopefully she will be good as new. Okay, so good news. It appears that this trickle charger is completely charged, thus the green light. So I have charged this battery, it's ready to go. So while I'm in there, I've decided I'm going to install a little tail on the battery so that I can plug it into the trickle charger sort of in the off season if I happen to not ride it for a while. I really do try to ride it a lot, even through the winter, but this will just give me an easy way to connect it to the battery charger when I'm not riding it, or if I'm not going to be riding it for a little while. I'm about to stick this battery in. Again, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's time for a test run. This is a good rainy day project. All right. Hold brake, and oh yeah. Success! Now we just need some better weather. I'll be getting right back out there.